made a million memories. We saw the world, we crossed the sea. We learned so much about what life should be. Love and togetherness and family. From Texas all the way to France and Spain, to every Caribbean island, St. Lucia, Martinique, Guadalupe, or Colette, riding along the waves to the Bahamas for our final days. All the amazing people wherever we'd go, we made friends, our buddy boats, sharing laughs and smiles.
Oh no.
Are y'all getting along right now?
Yeah.
Are y'all playing?
Yes.
Oh my god.
Brothers, we play.
So happy.
Yeah, we play. That's what brothers do. They like
Ellie's
each other.
countdown for
They
Christmas
forget
on her
each other.
door. She just made her bed.
I'll
Sweet
punch it.
angel.
That looked like a bloody accident. Yep.
This is her room.
That's why I'll punch you.
This is our view today out of her
You are
window.
evil. Get off of me.
Field day. Almost. Their dad wanted to bring the baby on their boat. Have fun! Bye! I don't know how Dal does it, but he parks this boat. It's super scary, and he does it amazing. Here, video for me. I'm gonna hand them the stern line. Pull the fender up, Brett. Brett, get that one. How's the street party going?
Hey man, we're having such a good time on the island, man. So fun.
You wanna come buy a souvenir?
We got the local flair, we got the food, we got the fish, we got the what you want. We make it, we have it, we do for you.
We don't buy souvenirs anymore though.
I know, we don't have
no
space.
No space.
No
I have nowhere
space.
to put it.
Mommy, I want this one.
Oh, a bracelet. That would be nice. Oh, a shell necklace. I had one of those when I was a teenager.
Mommy, I like this one. It says St. Lucia on it.
Cool.
I like this one.
Welcome. How are you doing?
Great. How are you? We like it all.
I was gonna say, let's go see where you live.
City side, busy side, just in a holiday style. In the air, that's the feeling of Christmas. Children laughing, people dancing, reading smile after smile.
No.
Woo! Thank you.
Alright, here we go.
That was an interesting scream.
Yeah, baby.
Go ahead, Ellie. I got you on video. Thank you, baby.
Daddy, watch me.
There you go.
Daddy, I'm gonna do a backflip. Daddy, watch me.
Got you on video, Matt.
Alright, Dad, ready?
Great.
Set. Go.
Oh, baby.
Happy birthday to you.
Oh, would you grab the candle?
Birthday, dear Lauren. I love that though, Dad. Daddy, he likes me. Usually you can reach me, Dad.
You look amazing. I wish I could look like that in a wetsuit.
Yeah, that's.
Are you going snorkeling?
Daddy, why does he pitch me?
That's a $600 suit. I can't.
This one is?
Yeah.
And that's for you? How would Dad fit in that? Dad, can you try to put it on for the video?
Can you try to put
You
it on?
can't put a leg
Put it on for the video.
I
don't think that's gonna work.
Sweatshirt on.
Do you need help?
You look good.
Do you need help?
Here's my
The
crab.
wetsuit, they stick to you. Yeah, you might need to get wet or hose yourself down.
You want some olive oil?
He's my pet now.
That's your pet?
Yeah.
Grab a little olive oil on the inside of it, maybe. Y'all going in?
We're gonna come pick you up.
Oversized wetsuit.
Your oversized wetsuit. Fun, fun.
No, I'm not throwing it. You truck off the shells.
Okay, drop them off.
Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh.
What's the matter?
Oh, it's hurting me.
It's not on. You're safe.
Mommy, give me some goggles.
Pretty shells, babe.
Mommy, where's the belly? They're over there. Where? There. What's on the here?
The sun's going down and it is gorgeous. Oh, this doesn't do it any justice. Hey, let's go see if Santa came.
Hey!
God.
You ate all of them, and then I ate. There was a few crumbs left behind. Oh. Oh, in the storm.
Come here, guys. Right here.
Yay!
What are these? Guys, look.
You got,
Oh, yay! Yay!
what is it, Corbin?
What?
I got to see Lucia.
Wow!
Yay!
You got it.
Yay!
Good. That's the one that you like?
Yes, it's the exact same one at the store.
It is. He found us. That's amazing. Put it
Yay.
on. Put it on.
Can you help me?
Here, I'll help him.
A necklace.
It's a choker.
It's underneath.
Yeah, it will work once you put it on, I think. What'd you get, Ty?
He got like a
Fun.
transformer.
Downstairs.
Hmm?
Looks behind the cage like a dog. Greyhounds and racing dogs.
Every year. Yay, cheese.
This is for you. What's this?
Oh, Mom, what is this?
What is it? Oh, maybe that's.
I don't know. Open it up.
No, look. It's a silky pinned lollipop, and it's your foot. And you dip it into powder.
Oh, you got
and
this
eat it.
one?
Oh, yay, thank you.
Oh, gosh.
It has his name on it.
Underwear.
Oh. Okay, I can see the red. Let me try.
Oh, my nose. Oh, you want some of me? Oh. I'll put you in the face.
What you got, babe?
You're kind of rough. More than half. They're like bobbers
Hold your hand out.
with hooks on them.
Merry Christmas.
This broke. It broke already?
All right.
You'll need a box to put everything in.
Since 1979. Hey, that was the year I was born.
Hey.
Isn't that all that yellow?
You know what's funny?
The
I bought that same shirt for myself a few days ago before she bought that.
Oh, cool.
Because it's 1979.
Love it.
That's when they became independent.
Really?
Yeah.
Good
Not
year.
Lucia.
That's when we became independent.
Something like this.
Mama's.
Catch up with.
Oh, it's
Holy moly.
Holy moly.
holy. That's
Oh,
nice.
yes.
That's the flight machine.
Nice.
How do you open it up?
Yeah, that'll catch
They didn't
the.
even come
Yep.
with the controllers.
I know, I'm so sorry
so
about that.
nice.
Isn't that beautiful?
Yeah. Oh, Corbin, this is cool.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy.
Right.
Merry
Yeah.
Christmas.
Christmas fish.
Tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Everybody's like happy. Merry Christmas! Are those edible, Colin?
He said they're fine because he's small.
Small ones are good.
Okay, that's what
ones are bad.
that's what I read. The big fat ones. Said they have more mercury and they have some kind of
They
toxicity.
feed on maybe reefs, and reef fish have toxins in them.
Yes.
And these ones, they don't eat much of them, so.
We had ice over them on the boat.
So wait for rigor mortis to finish. Rigor mortis, see how he's like this?
Wow.
This is rigor mortis. Afterwards, he's going to be fluffy. When he's fluffy, he's ready to eat. His intestine.
That's the thumb. That's the thumb.
Merry Christmas.
Amazing.